It is Durban Network. Nginobuntu la unobhala we-EFF kanye namanye ama-members ahlukene iphimbo siyalibona abasebenzi nje bakwa-security ngokuhlukahlukana kwabo nezinye inhlaka buntu ni-EFF nanithe cha nizobamba la ngazimbili nilekelele kumzabalazo wokuzama ukukhuculula noma ukuphuculula impilo yomuntu omnyama.
Asibingelele igama ubuntu unobhala we-EFF apha eThekwini Central Sub-Region. Njengoba usazi ukuthi njenge-EFF kade saqala umzabalazo wama-securities and cleaners that they must be insourced. Ngoba siya-understanda ukuthi imali zidliwa kanjani ngalabantu bama-private security companies and the private cleaning companies. So namhlanje kuthe mabe-reporter abazali bethu lapha ama-security njengoba wabona ukuthi bayahlukumezeka lapha e-KSA i-Provident Fund ekuthiwa iyatsalwa but ayiveli kwa-SARS. Uniform abayinikezwayo niyayibona ukuthi igugile kanjani kodwa kuneyimali ezitsalwayo ekuthiwa zimali ze-uniform nokuningi okwenzakalayo wokuhlukunyezwa babantu abanga-identifyeki abahamba ngamapolo behamba behlukumeza ama-securities kuma-site ngokuhlukana. Sathi no, as a-EFF asikwazi ukukuvumela lokho, sizobasupporta until now till to the end. I-memorandum isubmithiwe silindelo 7 days but kulo 7 days as a-EFF sobe siqhubeka simobilize futhi ukuthi uma sesibuya kwesibili sesibuya sekucaca ukuthi ngu-round 2 asoze sakuvumela ukuthi kube khona abantu abazohlukumeza ama-securities because ama-securities adlala eyona role ebaluleke kakhulu ehlaleni ukwenza sure ukuthi abantu bahlala bephephile, i-companies zihlala ziphephile kodwa babona abantu aba-underminwa kakhulu beholiswe imali encane kodwa kubabona abantu abadlala umsebenzi omkhulu ukuprotecta i-company. So silapha as a-EFF to say down with exploitation of securities, their demands must be met with an immediate effect.
Enye into esiyizwile ukuthi yona i-KSA inama-site lapha kumasipala. Kusho ukuthini ukuthi abantu bathi benama-site kumasipala but wona ungakwazi ukuzo-regulator indlela ekusetshenzwa ngayo ngoba abanye bazwakale ngathi umasipala uyazazi ezinye zale yikhaya but i-question uke wafika la wazobheka ukuthi lo muntu amqashile ubaphethe kanjani abasebenzi.
Asibonge akungeze kungethuse lokho ngoba siyazi ukuthi uhulumende osiphetheyo ama-securities uwabukela phansi kangakanani. Uma bekuthiwa uhulumeni osiphetheyo ama-securities uwathatha serious uyawavelusha ngabe kuwa wonke ama-departments aphathwa nguhulumeni ama-securities are insourced bafumana ama-benefits. So now kusho okukhulu ukuthi kukhona abantu ababhenefithayo noba singekawazi amagama abo ababhenefithayo ekuhlukumezekeni kwama-security kwi-corruption yenzakalayo kuyimali zabo ezitheni ezithathwayo. So kuclear kusinikeza very clear. So we are not surprised ukuthi why bengafikanga but esingakuthembisa kona ukuthi sizoba expose sizolwa until imfuno zabasebenzi zikwazi ukuthini ukulunga. We will kick the dog until the owner comes out.
Umbuzo wokugcina buntu indima ama-security industry security yeyona industry ebukeleka phansi ekuwukuthi kunamaphoyisa who can earn as less as 2.5 for 2,000 sometime. Kusho ukuthini ukuthi esikhathini eside kangaka sikudemocracy industry ama-security isacindezeleke kangaka?
Njengoba bengishilo ukuthi uhulumeni osiphetheyo sukela kudala uhulumeni wa-ANC awukaze uwathathe serious uwavelusha ama-securities. Kwangena i-DNU uhulumeni we-DNU include i-DA, inkatha, i-ANC, i-Action, i-SA, i-PA, onke lamaqembu ahlangene pha kwi-DNU. Still bayohluleka uku-insource ama-securities. Onke lo maqembu kucacile ukuthi abawathathi serious umsebenzi or i-role edlalwa yini ama-securities. As a-EFF sisaqhubeka sisalwa nebhili yethu ukuthi ama-securities they must be insourced in all departments. So we are clear like that ukuthi uhulumeni osiphetheyo kwamanje awuwathathi serious ama-securities. So as the EFF, we are still clear, we are persuading our structure to say securities and cleaners, they must be insourced and get their full benefits, bakwazi ukuthola i-medical aid nako konke ekutholwa abasebenzi bahulumeni.
Ngani yawethu sibonga ngesikhathi sakho.
Enkosi.